Everybody, me Rich Ham here from YouTube. I'm going to show you how to clean the filter while so you don't have to buy a new filter for your lawnmower if it won't start. First, you're going to need a knife, not my old knife, a screwdriver. Make sure you get the right side, because make sure you don't slip. Okay, but you don't have a screwdriver, get a quarter. Okay. And remember, it left you loosey, so you turn it left and loosen it up. Then you use your fingertips. I had a whole lawnmower, I still had to clean out the carburetor, but I don't have a whole one. When you need to put it out, okay? I call you at once, but all the gunk and stuff right now, you take the knife, be careful when doing this, and this. Now, kid, do not do that, okay? Have your dad do this. And leggy, be careful, okay? So don't cut yourself. And this will make the car breathe. Not the car, well, technically the same principle, because both of them are combustion engine, the one on gasoline. But it will make your lawnmower start a lot better. If that don't work, you have to clean your carburetor out. And you're going to get some spray and you do that. But you're ready to take it apart completely and clean it. Now remember that grease, then this, put it back on. Make sure nothing get down inside now. Put the cap back on. You're going to use a normal screwdriver, but you do be careful. Make sure it's the right side. But you don't have a screwdriver, just a normal quarter. I mean the quarter to show you that it broke. Do not tighten up the screw with a knife or unscrew with a knife, because the knife can bend and cut you. So you don't have a screwdriver with a normal quarter piece. Then make sure the gas in there. See if we got gas. Give it 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Put on the bar.